Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Kausar Kiran from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. In our subject Business Economics, here we discuss the following topics. First, we discuss public and external debts in Pakistan. Second is difference between the two debts. Third is debt creation always bad? Number fourth, concern regarding Pakistan fiscal deficit. And the last topic is reforms to bring debt under control. Today's lecture focusing on one of the most important topic, which is that is also called economic challenges Pakistan face. Difference between the two debts is debt creation is always bad. Today's lecture focusing on two important ideas on economic and public finance. The difference between number one, the two main types of debt, whether debt creation always harmful. Second, understanding these concepts is essential for analyzing government policies, business decisions and overall economic stability. Types of debts. In economic, debt is generally divided into two major categories. Number one, productive debt. Definition: productive debt refers to the borrowing that is used for investment process and generates future economic returns. Characteristics: it increases a country's or an individual's future economic or futures income. It supports economic growth. It makes repayment easier because the investment produces revenue. It enhances long-term development. For example, government borrowing to build highways, dams or energy projects. Businesses taking loans to purchase machinery or expand production. Students taking educational loans to improve further earning capacity. Productive debt is usually considering health and benefits for the economy. The second category is unproductive debt. What is the definition? Unproductive debt is borrowing that does not generate economic returns or future income. Now here discuss what is the characteristics. It is spent on consumption rather than investment. It creates financial pressure in the long run. Repayment becomes difficult because the debt does not produce revenue. It may lead to economic instability. For example, government loans used to pay salaries, subsidies are non-development expenses. Household loans used for wedding luxury items are unnecessary spending. Borrowing for political projects that do not create economic value. Unproductive debt is often considered harmful if it increases over time. Difference between the two debts. The essential difference between which is lies in purpose and outcome. Productive debt creates future benefits, growth and income, while unproductive debt creates no return and became a financial burden. Productive debt strengthens the economy, unproductive debt weakness. Now we discuss, it is debt creation always bad? The simple answer is no. Debt creation is not always bad. Why? Debt can be good because economic growth. When borrowing is used for productive investment, it increases jobs, income and future economic capacity. Second point is helping developing countries, improves infrastructure. Roads, hospitals, schools and energy projects often require borrowing and these projects support national development. The third point is sport, business, and innovation. Many companies rely on loans to expand operation, develop new technologies, and hire more workers. Number 4 point is useful during emergencies. During crises like natural disasters or borrowing helps government projects people and stabilize the economy. When debt becomes bad, debt becomes harmful. When it is used for unproductive purposes, it creates an economic return. It is managed for use inefficiently. It grows faster than the ability to repay. Number last, the leads to high fiscal deficit and financial instability. Now, when we conclude all the headings, the debt is not a single uniform concept. They are productive and unproductive reforms to debt productive creation. Productive creation is beneficial because it leads to growth and revenue generation. Unproductive debt is risky because it creates future burdens without providing returns. Debt creation is always not bad. What matters most is how the borrowing money is used. Now, thank you students concerning all the topic. Hopefully, you understand what is debt, what is debt types, and is debt creation, and what is the main concept. It is debt always bad. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.